This story is likely to make the squeamish squirm, so you have been warned. Scientists have pulled a living worm out of a woman's brain. A new study published in the journal Emerging Infectious Diseases reveals how scientists made this world-first discovery, spotlighting the risks of infectious organisms jumping between species.
The bizarre medical case began in 2021 when a 64-year-old woman in Australia experienced a recurring fever and persistent cough that had been diagnosed as pulmonary illness. But a few months later, she complained of forgetfulness and worsening depression. A brain scan revealed this: a lesion in her right frontal lobe. Last June, doctors performed a biopsy through a hole in her skull and extracted a live 8-centimetre-long worm.
It was definitely not what we were expecting. Everyone was shocked, and the worm that we found was happily moving quite vigorously outside of the brain.
Biologists identified the parasitic creature as a species of roundworm, most commonly seen in carpet pythons. Other types of worm have infected humans, their eggs hatching in the intestine and maturing into adults, causing diarrhea and vomiting. Doctors say it is a mystery how this worm went into a person's brain. But the patient lived near a lake inhabited by carpet pythons and had foraged for native vegetation, which could have been contaminated with python feces.
We certainly know in humans there are parasites that can get into the brain, which are known parasites of human beings, but something this large, 8 centimetres, and wriggling around, and something that had never before been seen in a human being, was certainly something we'll never forget.
The patient's doctors say she's doing well, but they're still keeping a close eye on her.